Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Microsoft Planner for Office 365 on a Mac computer. Tutorial 21, change the background of your plan. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365. Now this comes with what's called a business. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Go to the left-hand side navigation menu, click on Applications, go to All Applications, scroll to Explore all the applications. Now let's go to Microsoft Planner. Let's just wait for that to load. Click on Computer Science Videos. And now what we can do is go to the three dots within the middle to the top right corner. And now let's go to Plan Settings. As you can see on screen, we already have the suggested backgrounds. At the moment, we do not have a background. Let's just try change the background to background number 2. And there we have a motherboard at the background for the Computer Science Videos plan. We can continue to change this by clicking on the other backgrounds that are available. Let's just leave it to background number 2. Looks quite good. We can now click on X, and that's how you change the background of your plan within Planner for Computer Science Videos. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.